How to outline text in Photoshop. So first thing, just head over to your Photoshop application and make sure you open any one of the blank project. So let me just quickly add a lorem ipsum sample text over here. So now what I will do is, once you select and reposition your text, just come over to this layer section if you haven't already, and just click on this create a new layer option over here. So now what you need to do is just make sure you readjust the text which you had already created and bring that new layer in the middle of section of between both of the layers, that is your background and foreground. So once you're inside here, now what you need to do is, now just select the layer in which you have your text and just right click on this T button over here and just click on this select pixels. So just click on this select button over here at the top and click on modify and click on expand and just set it to 3 for now and just click on OK. Now just select the lower layer and just click on this color box over here at the top bottom left and just give any color which you like for it to give and just click on OK. And finally click on this paint button tool over here and you just have to on this above the text over here. So if you don't see that button, so in that case what you need to do is, you can also use a brush tool from over here. So let me just quickly use a brush tool, and now all you have to do is just paint like this and your border will still be automatically created under your highlighted text. You can also do one cool thing, that is you can actually remove your text from over here and it will still be there as a border. So that is exactly how you can do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.